Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great one. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And I love to hear your comments. And today's box is my favorite animal box. It is the Kitnip box. I've been getting it for a few years now and it is fantastic. I get it every other month because otherwise I'd have all the best toys. I already have like a ton of cat toys, but I would have more cat toys than I could probably handle if I got it every month. And this is the October 2020 box, which means it's going to be Halloween themed. Halloween themed. We love Halloween. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Aww. And it says thank you, and it tells you all about the stuff that is in the box. And it's got a little sticker. Oh, it's not Halloween themed. I'm surprised, but there's a ton of stuff in here. And we will go through it. I can't believe it's not Halloween themed. I was really looking forward to a Halloween box. But as we open them, the kittens somehow always know that I have the Kitnip box and they are excited for these toys. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Maybe it's the box has some dust in it. All right. The first thing we have here is from the Natural series, and this looks like a little hamster or something. And it says this is the best pet cloud mouse. What meower could resist a fuzzy mouse to bat around the house? Soft and cushy critter is similar in size and shape to the prey your furry buddy craves. $3. And this box is $19.99, free shipping. Cat toy. Woo! That has now been given over to the cats. And Jesse's sitting over here real quiet, so if there's something his way in a minute. Then next up is, these are some fluffy balls. Who doesn't like some fluffy balls? They're kind of furry and feathery. And these are the best pet feather ball with sound. Oh my God, sound! Let your meow pal chase after these fluffy and feathered balls. Releasing the stress of pent-up predatory instincts. Your kitty is a natural hunter, and this set of toys is great to encourage their inner ruler of the jungle. Nature. Where the fuck? Where am I? Nature, $5. I don't know what kind of noises they make. We're gonna find out. There's a lot of little tabs on this. It says, if there's any directions, one ball contains electric squeaker. Remove the plastic tab from the ball to activate sound. Ooh, they love bird sounds. They're excited. This one's just a regular old ball. They are running and chasing everything that I throw for them. Oh, scissors. Almost fell and stabbed my foot. It's non-stop action when I unbox the Kitnip box. Next we have the Pet Links Kitnipper. And this is a cat and mouse refillable catnip set. Look at that vial of catnip. Seems pretty fancy. It says this set of 2 refillable catnip toys are lightweight and great refillable stuff for chasing your purr pal. Love the little mouse and big cat duo. And so there's little holes, those little Velcro holes. I'm not going to get these going yet. There's a Velcro hole. What does that look? It looks dirty. And this little mouse doesn't have a hole. I wonder if the little mouse can fit inside the big mouse. I don't know, but that is an $8 toy. Oh man, I hate it when they send this. The cats never want this, ever. There is 2 things left, and one of them is just a gross idea. This idea pisses me off, and it's just people who, and it's okay if you drink, enjoy your libations, have a cocktail, but why do you gotta force a cat to have some goddamn cat wine? This is gross. Cats don't need to drink fake wine. If you're so sad because you're drinking alone, don't make your cat drink fake cat wine. I tried to give it to my cats the last time they put it in here, and they did not care for it whatsoever. And this is from Pet Winery Burgundy Catnip Drinkable Treat. This tasty treat is Cat's Meow, made from filtered water infused with catnip, enriched with salmon oil. What better way to enjoy an evening glass of wine with your fuzz pal by clinking glasses and bowls together? That's sad. It's sad. It's okay to drink alone, but don't make your pet drink some weird catnip juice. They don't like this stuff. None of my cats have ever liked any of this kind of stuff. I'm disappointed, Kitnip box. And then we've got some more catnip toys, and these are catnip flyers. They're really loving that sound toy. Little baby girl Ruby is all about that. Sized perfectly for little paws. These toss toys are made with lightweight mesh for battling and chasing fun, filled with pure and potent stimulating catnip. For extra excitement, the twin pack of toys is sure to please your toe-beaned pal. $4. So this is, I love this box. There are some really good toys in here. Like, I can't wait to fill this up later. They're loving the little balls and the feathery, like, soft balls. They like the balls already. But I'm going to wait to give them this, and I'm going to wait to give them this. Overall, I'm still happy with the Kitnip box. I will not stop getting the Kitnip box until my toy collection is so vast that we don't have room for furniture. Okay, not really true, but don't make your cat drink with you. Just man up and drink alone like a person who drinks alone. Don't make your cat drink with you. Invite a human to sit on your porch 6 feet away. That's just all I have to say about that. But that just always upsets me. And the cats don't like it. Salmon oil or not. Have a great day. This is what I think. I hope you don't mind me thinking out loud, because that's what I do in every video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.